Welcome to the Storepass product creation tool. So what we have here is a way to import new products to your store, whether it's Shopify or BigCommerce or any other e-commerce store. We are the generic platform on top of your e-commerce site. And so you can see we're within Pokemon. We got 9 other product lines. We can add more in a few days. Just submit a request for that. But anyways, here's the latest things coming in from Pokemon. And you can see the title, the SKU, the product type, vendor status, variants, tags, price, all these things. And these are not set for everyone in the same way. This is particular to your store. And in our onboarding call, we'll go through something that we call our templates. And so what this is you can see some code-ish looking stuff in here. It refers to the name, it refers to the collector number and all sorts of stuff. And why this is powerful and important is you can look at the data for a particular card and see rarities available, price, collector number, the type of finishes it has available, all sorts of stuff. And then go and adjust the title to have the rarity in there or move it around, the vendor in there. You want variants to have the foil or non-foil or stuff like that. It is 100% flexible to you. And in the onboarding, we'll set it up. It's a set it and forget it system so that you can feel confident that your products get made and are displayed on your store in the way you want. And there's also a safety sanity check. Let's say you want to change your titles and there's a better system that you've come up with, or your SKUs. That's a pretty typical one. You have the bulk edit tool to do that too. So let's take a look at the bulk edit. So here you can see we have our Pokemon cards, and this is where you can select something. So in this case, description is selected for updating. You can update the name, the image, the variant. We're adding new things like tags and all these things relatively soon. But in this case, we have Pokemon information. You get the card type, the form, the type, the hit points. They added this as a custom description that gets pushed out, and it can update custom descriptions at about 10,000 an hour. It's very fast. And it goes out as instant and updates it for all of your Shopify listings that are connected to Pokemon. The other thing to note is when creating products, maybe there's a new set that gets released and you just want to do that set. So let's go and we'll look at Silver Tempest as an example. You can see that there's 215. It's just displaying 56. Here's just a set of what they look like and the prices based off of the price template. You just hit add all. They go into your store. It's at a rate of 1,000 an hour, so maybe 15-20 minutes. Everything will be in there live and ready. You could set inventory levels. Typically we suggest setting them to 0 and then just doing it there, but it's all up to you and the templates you create. You can set it by price, so sometimes you just want the expensive cards and connected to your buy list or something, because we offer all sorts of other things. But that, in a nutshell, is the product creation tool. It's super flexible and is made to be exactly the way you want. All the listings that you create are all yours. You can have and change them however you want in the bulk edit, in your Shopify store, in your BigCommerce, wherever you need. And it'll all work no matter how you want to work with your listings.